How to know my PC specs. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you're wondering what is the specs or specifications of your PC, there are two of the ways to know so. Firstly, tap on the start icon and head over to your settings. In your left hand side, you will see some of this option. You need to select on System. So go ahead and tap on System. Again, scroll down until you find the option of About and click on it. In here, you'll find all of your device specifications starting from your name, processor, RAM, device ID, product ID, system type, and more. So this is your first way to check out your PC specs. Now, if you don't want all of this hassle, there is a quicker way to do so. In the search bar, just go ahead and search for System Information and click on it. Over here, you should find all of the details regarding your system and the information. That is how you'll be able to know your PC specs. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.